guys, today I learned a new experiment, so I was hoping I could show you guys. So you know when astronauts come from space, they actually leave their rockets in space and come here with a capsule. When the capsule hits the Earth's atmosphere, it will have some troubles and problems coming into Earth. So there's two problems. One problem is the friction, and another problem is air drag. So when a capsule hits the air drag and the air drag and the capsule rub together, it creates fire, and the capsule may burn down if it didn't have a shield. The shield is made out of thick metal, and I was going to do an experiment that is like that. So this is the shield, and it's covered, and it's foil covered over a cup, and this is a normal cup. So, and I have two bowls and two chocolate. These chocolates are the people, and this is the shield, and this is the cup without the shield. Now I'm gonna pour hot water. Be careful. Hot water in here. And some more hot water in here. Okay, after that, I'm gonna place these two chocolates in the bowl and put it here. Now we're gonna wait for a few minutes. So this chocolate without the shield, it's starting to melt. And let's see. Nope, not melting. For a few more minutes. So as you can see, this chocolate over here is fully melted. I mean, not fully. And this chocolate, it's starting to melt, but it's not that much melting as this one. So the shield can protect the capsule from burning or catching on fire, so the people will stay safe and come back to Earth safely. Thank you.